Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and out in Capcut PC. So in here, I have this still video, and I want to create a zoom in and out effect to this video. So what you need to do is just use keyframes on the scale settings here. So the first thing that you can do is add a keyframe at the start of your video under the scale in here. So if you want to have a zoom in effect, you need to just use this transform. You need to make the scale bigger to have that zoom in effect. So let's move forward, and in here I'm going to go to the middle of the clip, and I'm going to make the scale bigger to have that zoom in effect. So I'm going to go with 100 times bigger, and here you can adjust the position so that the object is still on the center like this. And now I'm going to have a zoom out effect. So I'm going to go to the end of the clip, and then I'm going to add another keyframe by adjusting the scale back to its original position, which is 100%. You can see another keyframe will be automatically created. So just swipe to the left to 100%. Oops. Like this. Don't forget to adjust the position again. So let's see the result. You can see this is the zoom in, and now it will slowly zooming out again. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the links. Bye.